Hi, in front of me I have CUBOT P40 and I'm gonna show you how to perform the factory reset on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and tap OK to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when this menu appears on the screen, you can release both buttons. Now use the volume up button to scroll through the menu and select the recovery mode, then press the volume down button to confirm. When the screen appears, press and hold the power button and then press volume up button to continue. So press and hold power and press volume up. And we entered recovery menu. Let's use the volume down button to scroll down and highlight the wipe data/factory reset option, then press the power button to confirm. Here scroll down, highlight factory data reset and press the power button to confirm. After the process is complete, make sure that the reboot system now is selected and press the power button to continue. And at this point the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.